What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake imposter, fake King Hussle, YouTube, Instagram, Telegrams out there scamming people, and y'all still falling for it. Y'all having a whole conversation with these channels, sending them money, then sending me the screenshot. Like, man, this fake, this not you. Like, I don't get it. It's weird. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So I'm finna just drop some gems on y'all real quick, because it's a lot of people out there that just want to, like, don't get it. It's a lot of people out there that want to make passive income. That's money that you make while you're asleep. It's a lot of people out there want to make free money. Well, in order to make free money, in order to make any type of money, you have to be able to do something, provide some type of service. Point blank, period. If you don't got some type of product or service or knowledge that people need and want, you're not going to make any money. Point blank, period. Everything, you got to think about it, everything is some type of service that we have to go to, and that's how the world is ran, off some type of service. So it's a lot of people out there want to start making free money. It's a lot of people that's tired of working these 9-to-5 jobs. There's a lot of people tired of being teachers, driving trucks. It's a lot of people tired of doing a lot of different things that they just saying, you know what, I'm tired of working. I want to be able to run my own life, my own business. I want to be able to wake up and make my own schedule. I'm tired of waking up and going to the same place every day, all day. I'm tired of getting paid the same amount. I'm tired of being in the same position. I need to do something to change my life so I can start doing something new, right? So boom, I'm finna drop these gems on you real quick right now. So how the world is being ran right now, YouTube is a great source of making free money, making passive income, generating your own income, doing a lot of different things. Now, a lot of people think that, oh, to be a YouTuber, you got to show your face or go out to these malls or places and do crazy videos or do reaction videos or do this and do that. It's a lot of different ways to make money on YouTube. Now, you can do reaction videos, you can be a comedian, you can do skits, you can do podcasting, you can do a lot of different things on YouTube where you can where you have to show your face. But it's also a lot of different ways that you can make a lot of money off YouTube without showing your face. And I'm going to break it down to you. So basically, it's called YouTube automation. And what YouTube automation is, basically, you post the content, you post a video that you outsource from somewhere else, right? So there's a lot of different YouTube automation channels out there. But the key is understanding YouTube and understanding different niches, different categories, and understanding how YouTube works. Because once you understand how YouTube works and these niches and how to post your videos, you can start making a lot of different channels and making a lot of money. You gotta think about it. You got 10 channels making you at least $1,000. That's $10,000 you're making a month just off posting content. You don't even have to show your face, right? So this is how you're going to do it. Because there's a lot of people out there that watch YouTube. There's a lot of people out there that watch different videos and see they get millions of views, and they catch themselves watching these crazy videos or videos that they never seen or thought about them watching, or top 10 videos or alien videos or this and that video, right? So boom. When you're doing YouTube automation, you want to find your category. You want to find the videos, the niches, the categories that make the most views, that get the most views. Now it's a lot of different categories, but you gotta think and ask yourself, okay, if this video is getting this amount of views and all these other videos in this niche is getting the same amount of views, a whole lot, maybe I should tap into this niche, right? So let me give you an example. You got a lot of people on YouTube who at night they listen to rain videos, meditation sounds, rain sounds, white noise sounds, all different type of meditation and rain sounds to help them go to sleep. Those type of videos are YouTube automation videos, where you can go to Fiverr.com, type in rain videos, And once you type in rain videos, it will be a list of people who make rain videos that you could spend 10 videos for $50 and you can post them on your rain channel and start making money. There's people on YouTube that you can go search and find top 10 videos. So all those videos where you see those top 10 videos, basketball, football, any sports, cars, or just top 10 anything where there's a voiceover, that's a YouTube automation video. You got those top 10 mysterious animal videos, that's a YouTube automation video. Any video with a voiceover is a YouTube automation video. Those motivational speeches where you just got clips playing in the background with the subtitles in the middle, that's a YouTube automation video. Now that I'm telling you this, think about how many views those videos, those type of videos have. And think about it. No one's even showing their face. So all they're doing is outsourcing the video for 10, 15, 20, 30, a little couple dollars on Fiverr, taking that video, posting it on YouTube, and starting to generate subscribers, views, and start to get monetized. Now think about if you stay consistent doing that, posting rain videos, meditation videos, top 10 videos, basketball videos, sports videos, animal videos, a lot of money can be generated. You just have to stay consistent. Now, it's a lot of people out there that do reaction videos. Now, the trick with reaction videos is, okay, you gotta think about it. If this video got 10 million views on it, that means a lot of people watched that video. So by you reacting to it, that means it's going to be another 10 million people who never watched this video. And it's going to probably be another 500 to a million people who want to see your reaction. So now you got to think about it. Why not react to videos that have many millions of views? Because apparently this is a high quality video. This is a video that caught algorithm and a lot of people were interested in, and they liked it, and they had a lot of likes and a lot of views. So if I do a reaction video to it, it's going to be people who didn't see this video who just catch it on to the video plus my reaction at the same time, and now they're going to like it. Quick and easy trick. And there's a lot of different videos out there like that you can literally watch and react to and start a channel and get it monetized. You just have to stay consistent. If you don't want to work a 9-to-5 job, listen, no one is going to give you any money for free. Only way you're going to be able to make all profit is by learning something and doing it. No one's just going to say, here go $1 million, here go another $1 million. No, you got to learn what you're doing or what you want to do in order to be successful at it. If you want to stop working your 9-to-5 job and start making way more off of YouTube by just posting videos, do that. Just stay consistent with it. And you can start now and still keep your job. And once it starts to pick up and you start to make money, you can quit your job, or you can keep both. Because at the end of the day, it's going to be double income, and you're not going to even have to show your face. So it's not like, oh, you got to sit at the computer all day and make videos and edit. No, all you got to do is, hey, I need such and such videos. Okay, this is how much you have to pay. Okay, thank you, boom. When it's done, I send it over. Okay, thank you, boom. A couple days later, boom, here go your 3 videos. Okay, thank you, post it on YouTube. Boom. Job is done. Work smarter, not harder. We all can be making our own profit, have our own YouTube automation channel, our own business, making our own money. YouTube will really put you in a position not to work a job again. You just gotta stay consistent with it. Don't be scared to try something new, because once you try something new and you stay consistent with it, then it's gonna be like, I can't stop now. I gotta keep going. And once it's some free money, why would you stop? Because you got the opportunity to make millions. This channel is making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month just off YouTube automation by them posting so many videos that it caught algorithm. All their videos picked up, and they don't even gotta post no more because of whatever niche they got. Whatever niche they have is a niche where it has so many videos and so many views that it's going to continue to get views anyways. And they're going to continue to get paid forever and ever. So do you want to put yourself in a position to get paid forever and ever? Do you want to put yourself in a position where you want to stop making $2,500 a month, when you can start making $25,000 a month? Do you want to put yourself in a position where you're waking up and you're your own boss? Tap into this YouTube automation. I'm helping people out with this YouTube automation. So if you want lessons on how to do this, you want me to help you start to do it, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. I will help you get your YouTube automation channel together. $250. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. You want to tap in with it, send me the screenshot of the $250 being your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Once you send me the screenshot of your balance and you being cash ready, we're going to get to work. I'm going to show you how to create your channel and help you start making some money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, shout out to all my real subscribers, supporters, fans out there, everybody out there that's been tapping in with King Hussle, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going, y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, I'm doing 50% off, $300, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Send me the screenshot when the 300 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, and we're going to get to work. All right, so don't miss out on that. Anybody looking to get basic lessons, it's going to be $500, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, we're going to get to work. Any topic that you want to learn about, I'm going to teach you that, and you're going to start making money. One topic. Also, unlimited gems, 1,200 FaceTime one-on-ones, it's $1,200. Make sure you tap it in. You're going to learn about CPNs, credit, how to make passive income, how to make $1,000 a day off social media, how to document, so everything that you need to know. All right, so make sure you tap it in with the unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones, $1,200, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with the mentorship. You're going to get everything that comes with the unlimited gems. Plus, I'm going to teach you about the DW. And we're going to make this YouTube automation channel together. All right? We're going to make some money together. I'm going to help you build it. We're going to split it down the middle. So the channel start making 10,000. You get 5, I get 5. Easy as that. What else I got? Oh, yeah. Make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. You come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. Still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, any rappers or singers out there ready to get their money, ready to start making money off their music, get their chain, get their watch, start really blow up. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you? Make it make sense. Also, any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there ready to elevate, ready to get their brand and platform off the ground, ready to get their face out there, ready to start working, ready to start traveling, tap in. I'm going to put you in a lot of different positions to win. So make sure you're ready to work. No bad attitudes. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank, period. All right? So make sure you tapping in. Also, any videographers out there, you got a good camera, you get 4K or better, good editing effects, good transitions, all that good stuff like that, tap in with me. Content equals views, views equals money. So make sure y'all tapping in, all right? Also, tap in. Do not miss out. You trying to get the Cash App glitchy, plus the card credit method, 1 free fools, tap in. People really smacking, making these bands with this little Cash App, little glitchy. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. People making 10s to 20s to 30s, all type of. So if you ain't tapped in yet, tap in. Follow me on my Telegram. Once you write me on my Telegram, send me the screenshot. It's $250. Once the $250 is on your Cash App and Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot of your balance, and we can get to work from there. If you don't send me the screenshot, I will not respond, or it will be an extra $100 added on to your cash to your payment. All right. So you want the glitchy with the card cracking method and 1 free full, $250 Cash App Bitcoin payment. My Telegram link is in my community post and in every video in the description where all my social media links at, so you can't miss it. Tap in, send me that screenshot. Let's get to work. All right, don't miss out. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.